What you are looking at right now is not GPT-4, it is not Claude. This is a complex, interactive physics engine being generated and run entirely locally, offline, on consumer hardware. The era of paying for AI is over. Google DeepMind just dropped an absolute nuke on the open source community. They quietly released Gemma 4, and specifically the Gemma 431 billion parameter model. Released under a fully permissive Apache 2.0 commercial license, this model was designed to do one thing: run on your laptop and destroy proprietary APIs. If you look at the head-to-head LiveCodeBench metrics, which measures real-world high-difficulty coding problems, Gemma 431b scores an 80.3%, officially dethroning Claude 3.5 Sonnet. It features a massive 256,000 context window and built-in thinking mode, but having a free frontier-level model sitting on your hard drive is useless if you don't know how to deploy it to make money. This is why the builders are inside the AI Money Forge. My private community of over 400 founders and developers isn't just downloading models. We are architecting fully automated digital businesses. I just pushed a massive update live to the Forge Classroom. When you join, you bypass the months of trial and error. You get instant access to my premium AI Agent Systems Vault, the SEO Automation Vault, and the exact standard operating procedures my team uses. I am handing you the literal blueprints. Look at these new SOPs. I show you exactly how to build an autonomous Reddit SEO scraping workflow. I give you the step-by-step guide to deploying local Telegram AI agents using Lobster Father, and how to tie agentic workflows directly into Comfy UI for free visual generation. You get the exact prompt templates and the precise tool stacks. And to execute those blueprints, you get VIP access to the Forge Arsenal, my highly curated database of over 1,100 AI tools, MCPs, and frameworks. You don't have to guess what integrates with Gemma 4. You just open the arsenal and find the verified stack. If you are a founder who wants my dev team to build these systems for you, head to Forge Studio. But if you want the blueprints and the arsenal to build it yourself, hit the link in the description. Now, let's look at the financial leverage of Gemma 4. How is Google achieving this? Through brutal efficiency. They didn't just release the 31B flagship, they released a strategic fleet. The secret weapon is their 26B model, which utilizes a mixture of experts architecture. It has the knowledge base of a 26 billion parameter model, but it only activates 4 billion parameters during inference. This means it runs insanely fast on consumer hardware. You can deploy this locally via llama or llama.cpp in under 5 minutes, and this leads to the ultimate business advantage: cost arbitrage. If you are paying $20 to $200 a month for cloud APIs, or getting rate limited by Anthropic, Gemma 4 changes your math entirely. You are now running highly complex, multi-step agentic workflows locally at $0 per token cost. Your data never leaves your machine. Look at the raw execution. We are running the 31 billion parameter quantized model locally using llama.cpp. Look at the memory footprint. It's only sipping about 15 gigs of RAM, and the token generation speed is blistering. But it's not just fast, it's brilliant. When hooked up to a local UI like Atomic Chat, you can see its spatial reasoning in real time. It is autonomously writing the code to generate a functional Plinko board and a physics engine calculating mass, gravity, and elastic collisions on the fly. This isn't a cloud server. This is your local hardware doing the heavy lifting. But raw speed is nothing without complex reasoning. When we hook this local model into a UI like Atomic Chat, you see its true capabilities. It isn't just generating text snippets, it is autonomously writing and rendering live physics engines in real time. Watch it calculate the trajectories of a functional Plinko board and then instantly code a frictionless, elastic collision simulator, perfectly calculating the momentum transfer between a 1 kilogram and 10 kilogram mass. This is graduate-level spatial reasoning, running entirely offline. And here is the ultimate flex. We are inside the Unsloth interface, running Gemma 4 entirely locally on a standard MacBook M3 Pro with 18 gigs of RAM. We gave it an autonomous agentic prompt to act as a senior growth strategist. Watch it work. It is autonomously calling web search tools, scraping live data, compiling research, and generating a deeply structured market map at over 17 tokens per second. You literally have a free senior-level employee living on your Mac. The open source inflection point is here. If you want the blueprints to turn these local models into profitable systems, click the first link in the description. Join the AI Money Forge, grab the arsenal, and start building. I'll see you inside.